What's up guys? Today let's talk about how to make extra money with just a mini printer. Okay, let's check out. For set up this business is very simple. You just need a few cents to start up. One mini printer and one laptop and a blank phone cases. So the laptop just with Windows operation system is fine. And the printer is very lightweight. Maximum printing 2 phone cases at the same time. So what that means, so you just need to have a mini suitcase. You can put a printer inside the suitcase and one laptop inside. Well, that's it. When I saw this printer a couple of weeks ago, I'm so excited. It is very simple at printing your own photos on the phone covers. Just scan the QR code and it comes with the web page. And you can choose the photos in your smartphone and you can edit the photos and also you can add some text. Is that simple? Yes. And you just click confirm the order in the laptop. They will get an order. They have a system works. Click the printing. You just need to waiting 3 minutes, and you're gonna see your photos gonna printing on the phone covers, and the printing quality looks great. I think this mini printer is really good to start your own business or even just make the extra business. There is a few business model I think you can do it. Number 1, set up an e-commerce web shop and making personalized phone cover business. Number 2, if you have a shop already, just put this printer in the shop and you can making a lot more extra money. Number 3, I think this printer is really good to put in the traveling place because there's a lot of new people coming every day. Maybe you guys have a question about how much should I charging for the personalized phone cover business. My suggestion is it depends the location. In the shopping mall, of course, you should charge more, like $15 or $20 each. But on the street, there's a small mini booth. I think you can charge $9 or $12 around. And on a shop, you can charging maybe $9 to $20. It depends your marketing strategy. The last thing is about prices to set up this business. For the whole system, it costs around $2,000. It includes the printer and the 1-sheet ink and the software included, and also including the 100 blank phone cases. Thank you for watching. If you guys love this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you guys interested to set up this business, please comment below.